Hey everyone. Well, obviously the last video was on ferrocerium rods and the putting handles on them, which is I'm doing all these videos today because, well, I just burnt myself on fire. Alright, let's move this stuff out of the way. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to show another thing you can do with fire patties. But let me do this first. Okay. There's a few things here that you can do, and one of them I'll show you now. You're going to need a blade. You're going to need some leather and the resistance. You're going to need some fire patties for this one. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to take the fire patties, and there's two ways you can do this. You can use the fire patties just and go ahead and wipe them on your leather, and this one's already well treated anyway with fire patties. Make sure you can see that in the video. Alright, you can probably see the white on here. Okay, and what we're gonna do is grab something to light this on. Remember, fluff up some fiber. We're gonna take our pocket knife, gonna light her up, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer. Well, I don't know. I hope I didn't do that off camera. Alright. It's something you could either do with A, another fire patty, or B, with a campfire, or even your stove. And you can either do a lighter. With your leather, you just want to rub it into your leather, and you can either just get it warm and let it soak in, and what it's doing, because the way it's formulated is it's gonna get into that leather and it's gonna condition it, and then you're going to have a nice protected leather sheath. Alright, the next thing you can do is just take it for your blades, like after you sharpen your blades, just run that along your blade. Alright, so when you're out, you can use it to just coat your blades. And the same thing with your handles on any of your wood handles or your wood bushcrafting spoons and bowls, because it's formulated, it's non-toxic. And then you're gonna get it in there, and I recommend with any tools you don't put it directly in the fire. It's kind of something you want to just set it off and slowly rub it in. And same thing, now if you take a fire patty, let's say it's lit up for a second, blow that out, and be cautious because it will be really hot. It's only a few seconds. You can also use that to help heat up, and that'll help soak into the wood and help heat that metal up a little bit to be able to soak into it. And now trick is put it out. So now, thing to remember is, well, like I said, I've got there's a lot of papers on this desk here. Just, if you feel like you're getting too much on there or whatnot, you can always wipe it down if you feel you've got too much on there. What that's going to do is it's designed to put to help put a coating on your blades, and it doesn't even have to be warm. Just be careful, because you're like me, you keep your blades sharp, and it doesn't take much to bring off anything off the. So when you're out in the bush and you're doing a lot of bushcrafting like I do, and you're just surviving in the wilderness, for whatever reason it may be, you have an advantage. You have a way to be able to protect your knives, and another thing to be able to protect, and condition your leather sheaths. This isn't just contained to knife sheaths. You can also use it to protect things like canvas, boots, stuff like that. So, well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said, you can't have a fire patty video without a fire, right? And once this cools off, the beauty about this is that it's still really hot, actually. It's still waterproof, but it's still going to be there. We just burnt it, we just used it the same way. All this is actually still usable. So there's another great use for a one-of-a-kind product. So just remember, ounces lead to pounds and pounds lead to pain. Now, while there are many products that you can buy on the market that are good at what they do, and that can, yes, you can condition and waterproof leather and condition your blades, keep rust at bay, lubricate parts and firearms and equipment, but unfortunately there's really not a big all-in-one system that you can use. So as well as wax and bowstrings and stuff like that. So with no harmful chemicals, and remember, these do not have a smell. They are non-toxic to humans and animals. They are all natural. They are made in the United States in small batches, because just to keep the whole quality control thing going. And this time they can be purchased either at trekkeroutdoors.net, firepatties.com, and the links will be provided below. So you can buy them in tins of 6, refill bags of 12, hinge tins of 9, or tins of 6 with a Sparky. So, well, hope you all enjoyed the video, and check back for the next video coming soon. Keep warm and dry, everyone.